India. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another crochet braid video. We are going to be installing these Yankee Twist by Crochet Braids Plus. So thank you so much to Crochet Braids Plus for sponsoring today's video. So you guys, they sent over these Yankee Twist, which kind of look like super curly micro twist. They are super cute. This is in the color brown sugar. They are actually handmade. They're reusable, water friendly. They're extremely lightweight and super carefree. You guys, these twists are so cute, and you guys can see how tiny they are, but it's going to be super easy to work with them. You guys can see how we open that loop and then just pull the hair through. So for my braiding pattern, I have 14 cornrows going straight back, and we are going to be using a beater to install today's style. You guys can find this in my Amazon storefront, or you can pick it up from your local beauty supply store. Sometimes Walmart has them in the jewelry section. This is the best tool to use to install these. It's going to make it super duper easy. So all you have to do is take the beater and put it directly under the cornrow. You're going to open the little loop at the top of the twist and just pull it through. Now, I literally only pulled it through one time. If you want to pull it through and then knot it once or twice, you can do that. But honestly, just pulling it through just like this is totally fine. None of them have fallen out. It feels secure. And honestly, because the hair is so small, like each twist is so skinny, when you pull it through, it's not as much hair to hold. And so it stays in place. In the bag that you get, you're gonna have 5 bundles. So 5 bundles is supposed to be enough to complete a whole head. And I do think that it is. You guys can see right here, this is one of the 5. I ended up using about 4.5 for this style. I can definitely go in and find extra space to add in the few twists that I do have left. So one bag is enough for your whole head. Now on the website, you are able to purchase single bundles. So if you want it to be super full, like if you're looking at mine and you're like, ooh, you don't think that's big enough, you want more twists, then you can purchase extra single bundles. So in that one bag, you're gonna get 5, and then you can just buy an extra one to get like 6 or 7 if you want it to be fuller. And these do come in 2 different lengths, medium and long. This is the long length. And as far as the spacing goes, I'm doing kind of like 1 finger apart. These are so small, so sometimes I may do like 1.5 finger widths apart, but it really just depends. I'm not like bunching them together, but I'm not spacing them out as far as I would like some other curly crochet braid hair. And when I tell you guys, this style is extremely lightweight. It literally feels like I have nothing on my head. So if you are someone who, you don't want to have a style that's too heavy, this one is definitely going to be perfect for you. Once I finished installing the twist, I just went into my bathroom to give them a quick cut. So I didn't want to cut off too much because I'll cut off a lot of the blonde and then it won't be even. But I did just want to make sure that they're falling properly. I just decided to wear it in a flip over method. You can definitely do anything you want with these, half up, half down, ponytail, like anything, girl. These are so cute, lightweight. You can do such quick and easy styles. And this is the final result. Let me know what you guys think of this hair in the comment section down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out, turn post notifications on, give the video a thumbs up. Girl, this one is super duper cute. Like, be sure to hit the link in the description box down below so you guys can shop Crochet Braids Plus. This hair does come in other colors as well, so be sure you go ahead and check it out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!